What's up, guys? It's Matt here from Beyond Beard Life. Today we're going to do a barbecue beef brisket with a coffee rub. Basically I've already pre-made the coffee rub. Not sure if you can see that, but I will leave it in the description below so you can make it yourself. There probably are some people out there who make one. Generally a lot of your pre-made stuff comes packed with salts. Don't really want that, so anyway, we don't really want to make a mess either. But here's our brisket, and basically we just want to cover everything. We might even save a little bit, but we'll see how we go. So you just want to get a nice covering on everything. Massage it in a little, flip it over, same thing on the other side. Looks delicious already. Basically the coffee rub is just going to give us a nice bark when we spark this up and put it in the Weber for a while. Later I am going to break it down a little bit, possibly with some red wine, and make some portabello mushroom and beef brisket pies, but we'll see how we go today. It doesn't cook the quickest. Make sure you get it all covered from all sides. Mop up all those extras. Cool. Alright, I'm going to wash my hands. We'll head outside, we'll fire up the Weber and get that going. Alrighty, here we are. Just fired up the Weber. Obviously, just got that going. Transferred the brisket into a foil tray. There's 1,000,001 brisket recipes out there on the internet already, so just be either boredom. I'm just going to let this catch up to heat, about 120 to 150. Once that's done, I'm going to pop the brisket in there, and I'll do some updates every now and then and pull her out and see how we're looking to get these pies going. Cheers. Alrighty, here we are, we're back. Just had a little bit of time to cook. We've just added a little bit more heat. Now we've got some roughly chopped onions and some parsley. So we're going to add that, bit of red wine, some stock, red wine vinegar. Then we're going to cover it over and yeah, let it cook away for the next couple of hours, and hopefully it'll pull apart nicely and be stuffed inside a pie. Let's see what happens. Here's the best bit, red goon. Yeah, Australia. So about 200 mils of that, bit of red wine vinegar, obviously diced onions, coriander, or parsley, sorry, my mistake. We'll cover that over and give it a couple of hours and see what happens. Boom! Portobellos and duck fats in, bit of thyme, brisket's done. We'll sort that out. We'll get these portabellos and a bit more duck fat. Throw it in there. What do you reckon, child? Good. Good? Good. That's what we want to hear. Anyway, we'll get that sorted out. Should we cut that or leave it in? Anyway, guys, we're back in the kitchen where it all started. And we fucked that take up fucking 25 times. But anyway. Alright, here we are, back in the kitchen. Don't know about that B-roll, there was a few beers consumed last night. Ran out of time. But anyway, we've shredded this up now. We've got our little pie tins here. Basically, all you really want to do is just make a mould with that pastry, like so. And then, once you cut that out, it'll be the perfect shape of your lid. So that's all been sorted, so we're going to scoop some of this in now. Come in a bit closer and show them that goodness. You got to jam that meat in there. You could definitely make a bit of gravy for this, but once this cooks up a little bit and the heat comes back into it, the juices will fill in with that pie anyway.
It stopped. It's gone black. Oh, it's still recording.
Alright, squash that sucker in there. Get as much meat as you can. Pork on your fork. It's not pork, it's brisket, but you know. She'll be right, mate. Cool bananas. Alright, now we'll just delicately pull that away. Maybe we might need a knife. That didn't work so well. Don't follow my advice, people. Should have let it stay frozen, would have been easier. Throw that lid on there. Oh, that one worked. Boom. All right. Probably just want to pinch that into the sides just a little bit. Otherwise all your juice is going to flow on top and it's not going to look as good taking a photo with your iPhone 14s or whatever you people own these days. Cool bananas. We'll give that a bit of a wash with some butter or maybe an egg wash, and we'll chuck it in the oven for 30 or so minutes. What's up? Put some butter on it? Alright, we'll put some butter on there. You keen for some pie? Some brisket pie? Cool. Alright, let's do it.
Put butter in it.
Boom. There we go. All done and dusted. Beautiful brisket pies with red wine, garlic, all that jazz. Anyway, let's cut her open, see what it's like. But that's the end of this video. I'll take some nice photos and put those up on my Instagram at beyond_beardlife. You can check out some of the recipes there, or it'll be in the description below. So anyway, give us a thumbs up if you liked it, or give us a thumbs down if you hated it. Don't really care, it's your preference. But there we have it. Brisket pies.